Hi guys, I'm Priyanshi and I'm a CA final student. I'm also currently working. Today I'm interviewing Sonakshi. She has just finished her course in 3D animation and she's also a big cooking enthusiast. So I thought that I should definitely bring her on the channel because she's doing two very different things, which are a little rare nowadays because people just think about the conventional options. So I was really interested when I got to know about her course and also about her cooking page on Instagram. I will link it down below in the description. You can follow it. So Sonakshi, my first question to you would be, how did you decide to choose 3D animation as a course?
Taking up 3D animation as a course, I think this was something that was always there in me. I always wanted to do something that had to do with cartoons or, movies that was this good and realistic. When I was a little child, that's when these things were like really into me. I used to always think that how do people actually make Barbie dolls move or something. And slowly I always had this in my mind, and then I started doing my course, and now I'm done with my course, and I think it's fantastic. 3D animation and the whole course part, the whole thing that I've studied about, it's a very nice thing, and it has so much more to it. There's so much to explore in 3D animation. So yeah, I guess this was always in me. This is something that I always wanted to do. The animation is something where we have to do it first. Like before I actually animate a character, I have to do it myself so that I understand what goes through the character. So I guess this is something like a thing that where I do it and I also make someone else do it. So it's like a fun thing to do. Because of animation, I have had to learn acting. I've had to learn a lot more things that comes up with animation. So yeah, I think this is something that's very creative, and it's an amazing thing to do.
That's great, Sonakshi. It's great that you chose a course where you thoroughly enjoyed it. I've seen very few people say that they actually enjoyed their course. So it's great that it worked out well for you. So moving on to the second question, how and when did you discover your passion for cooking?
So I guess this was back during my school days, where I used to be a part of Scouts and Guides, and we had this sudden competition announcement saying that we had to cook without fire in about an hour or so, and I had no one to guide me around right there. So I just came up with this idea to make a cold sandwich and a juice or something. So I did that and I actually won the competition. So that's when I realized that maybe I could give cooking a try, like not as a profession or something, but yeah, maybe as a hobby. So it all just started up as a hobby, and right now cooking is more like a stress release kind of a thing for me. When I started getting positive remarks on my cooking skills and everything, when I started improving little by little, that's when my friends, my parents and my relatives, they just told me that you could just start off a blog and you could just tell people that yeah, this is what you can also do. And I think that's when the whole blog idea came up to me, and now I think I am a successful blogger, and my page Simple Treats by Sona is going really well on Instagram. And yeah, I think it's a really good thing, and it's a very nice thing to have people actually see your work and comment on it and tell them that how amazing it is that you can do something like that. So yeah.
It's great that after the competition you actually went ahead and tried more of cooking, and it's great that now you have a blog and a page. So I would definitely link it down below in the description so that people can check it out. So my final question would be, how do you manage the two, a full-time course in 3D animation alongside cooking?
This is a tough question because there's nothing really to manage about both the things. It's like whenever I'm tired or a little stressed from all the work or sitting in front of the PC for hours, that's when I just run to the kitchen, make something, and my stress is all gone. And that's when I can just work again, start working again and everything. And it works the same way. When I'm tired of cooking, like cooking a lot, I just probably go take a walk and then again I start working. It's like a break both ways. So yeah, that's how. I mean, there's nothing really to manage as long as everything is balanced. So yeah.
I love how you said that both of them act as a break, because when you do two things that you're really passionate about, it's really fun to juggle between them and you actually enjoy the process. So thank you so much for doing this video, Sonakshi. So guys, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Share this video with everybody out there who's passionate about cooking or is passionate about 3D animation. Thank you for watching.